Hi everyone, welcome to Homeopathy TSKM channel. Today we are going to see the case taking in acute diseases. First of all, we must know the definition for acute diseases. Acute diseases are diseases which begin suddenly, progress faster, run a definite course, and finally it either ends with a death or recovery. There are certain steps you should follow when taking acute case. First is chief complaints with LSMC. LSMC is location, sensation, modality and concomitant. About this LSMC, it has been explained clearly in the previous video. Second is associated complaints if there is any. Third is changes in physical generals. For example, the person's appetite, thirst, thermals and bowel movements. Fourth is changes in mental plane. Irritability, weeping, carried desire to be are the examples for this point. Fifth is general features of the person. Sixth is in the cases of fever, there are certain other steps you should follow. We will see that in the next slide. These are the steps to be taken in cases of fever. First is onset of the fever, whether the fever is sudden or insidious. Second is types of fever such as continuous, intermittent, remittent, simple or compound. Third is the cause of fever, whether it's acute, subacute, chronic, periodic or fulminant. Next is chill stage, heat stage and sweat or perspiration stage. All these three stages should be noted down in the form of character, time, ailments from, better or worse by and concomitants. Remember, for fever cases, these three stages, which is chill stage, heat stage or sweat stage, is very important and should be given more important. Next is stages of acute diseases. There are 4 stages: per acute, acute on chronic, acute on chronic inflammation and chronic. Per acute is very acute or violent. Acute on chronic is referring to the acute exacerbation of the chronic condition where it is applied to a variety of conditions including renal failure, respiratory failure, bronchial asthma and bronchitis. Acute on chronic inflammation is a pattern of inflammation which is a mixture of chronic and acute inflammation. It may be seen in asthma, rheumatoid arthritis, tonsillitis and other conditions. Chronic stage means a long-term condition. Now we are going to see the management of acute cases. First, the acute totality is obtained where it is taken on the basis of characteristic symptoms manifested in the acute disease. It is called as prescribing totality in acute diseases, which includes 2 things. First is sector totality and fixed general totality. Sector totality is presenting complaints in LSMC format. Fixed general totality is altered physical and mental state which may be remain same in the most of the acute diseases in a given person. So, these are the steps that you should follow when you're taking acute case diseases. That's all for today. Please don't forget to subscribe to our TSKM channel and see you all in the next video. Thank you.